I've got a cool apartment.
This is Hunter from Around the World on $80, and today I'm going to be taking you on a little tour of this Italian beautiful Airbnb. It's magnificent, the artwork, I'll be showing you all that, and later on I'll be telling you the price, and it's just amazing the price we got it for, and I'll be telling you how you can get this place even cheaper. Welcome to our Airbnb in Italy, in Bracciano, beautiful town. I'm going to show you around here. You can already see like the living room and the artwork that's around here. It's very nice. Bracciano is about 1 hour outside of Rome. We can't afford to stay in capital cities on our budget, which of course is $80 a day for 2 people. So the trick, and this is good advice for anybody kind of doing this, either slow mads or digital nomads, backpackers, people like that, is to stay outside of the capital city, outside of the main area. So Bracciano is about an hour by train away from Rome. It's not difficult to get into Rome, and it only costs about €8, so it's absolutely fine to just stay here as our base and then travel to other towns. So what do we get in this Airbnb? Let me show you around. Ooh, what's going on here? Naughty, naughty. Before I continue any further, it would really mean a lot to me if you hit that subscribe and notify button. This is a fledgling new channel, and I hope to be able to continue making these videos, but I really need your support. So please do hit that subscribe and notify. Thank you. So let's start with the kitchen. You can see it's pretty funky. I think it's really funky. Look at all these kind of beer bottles from around the world. How many of these beers have you tried? I've gone through them. Maybe about half. I've probably had half. They're really cool. I like this kitchen. We've got a gas stove, very important. And hey, there's that coffee maker we were talking about a couple of videos ago. We don't have a microwave, which is fine, but we do have this kind of like toastery thing, perfect for reheating pizza slices. We also have, I like this touch actually, it's fridge magnets. The host travels a lot around the world, and each country he goes to, each city, he gets a new fridge magnet. So where of these places have we been? We've got quite a lot up there. We've got Paris, Thailand, Chiang Mai, Bangkok. Fantastic. I don't see Philippines up there. We need to get the Philippines up there one day. Fridge, freezer, dining table. This is all fantastic stuff. The usual kind of kettle toaster. This place also comes with a free fly and a free spider. What I really like is just the artwork. Look at all this. It's so nice, so funky. Look at the table. Look down here. Can we go down there? Yes, we can. It's kind of got this glass top, and then there's all this little artwork inside. Shells. Yeah. Nice comfortable couch. Also converts to a bed if you've got friends coming over. It's all pretty cool, isn't it? It's nice. Why, hello there, stranger. This is my favorite piece of artwork. I call this Green Man Running Through Door. This is an absolute luxury. We have aircon, perfect for Italy. Then we have the bathroom here. All the usuals, I guess, but it's so arty. Shower, but then you get colourful fish. How cute's that? These fish here as well. Just a really nice touch. Even these touches, so nice. But the real luxury for us is a washing machine. This is so rare. Normally we have to kind of wash our clothes by hand every evening, so this is a total luxury to have this. It's just amazing. And then Italian style, you dry your clothes outside, outdoors. No dryer here. And then finally the bedroom. And we have a bed. There's a super comfortable bed. I like it. It's a very hard mattress. And again, we have this really nice artwork on the walls. Ooh, what's going on there, missus? Ooh. And views out onto greenery. I've stayed in numerous places in Asia where you don't even get any windows. So this is an absolute luxury as well. It's just lovely. Books. We like books. Ooh, and scary clown. That keeps me awake at night. And there's also a smart TV, Netflix, all those kind of things built in already. Though we do have our own Google Chromecast if we really needed it. And more artwork. All lovely, isn't it? There's also a place to sit, coding, running your own business, becoming a billionaire, it all happens at this chair. The other advantage of being outside a city is even the food. Groceries are cheaper. So yesterday we bought several days worth of food, an entire bottle of vodka, wine, beers that are going to last several days, and all that came to just $30. And the big question, how much does this place cost? Well, before I tell you the price, remember, this is a first world European country and the price is just $39 a night. $39 for this place, and that's through Airbnb. Let me tell you now how you can get this place even cheaper. So $39, I mean, that's an absolute steal, really. But you can get this place even cheaper. Here's how you would normally go about it. Unfortunately, we didn't have time, so when we had to leave the last country, we had to get here quite quickly. Didn't have time to negotiate, but here's what you do. On Airbnb, you can negotiate with the host, especially if you're doing 1 month stays, which we are. So for example, Bracciano is somewhere that people would come for a day trip. So to have a place rented out for an entire month, that's fantastic news for the host. So of course he's not going to mind negotiating a little bit. So the thing to do if you want to find an Airbnb cheaper is to message the host beforehand, before you book, and say, look, I'm coming for a month. Can you give me a better rate? An even better rate than the one that's built into Airbnb. And often, because it's a month and they want to have this place tenanted, they will agree to whatever you've asked for. So I bet through negotiation, we could have probably knocked this place down from maybe $39 to about $30 a night. And you can be a bit cheeky if you want. It's up to you if you want to do this. You can even go out of the Airbnb world. You can ask them if you go direct instead of through Airbnb. Airbnb charges about 14% to the host, so that immediately cuts that cost for them, which they can pass on to you. So you can definitely ask for a 14% discount if you wanted to go outside of the Airbnb world. So I hope you enjoyed that little tour around the apartment. So this is Bracciano, Italy, and I will be showing a few more videos around the town. Ciao.